surprised if this gets out of the... Oh! Big left hand!
Please subscribe, Suntok Pilipinas.
Ang Argentina ay mayroong mayamang history sa mundo ng boxing at nakapag-produce din ng maraming magagaling na world champions tulad nila Sergio Martinez na nooy naging #1 pound-for-pound king, ang legendary boxing icon na si Carlos Monzon at ang isa sa naging mortal na kalaban ni Floyd Money Mayweather na si Marcos Maidana. Kung paangasan lamang hindi ito magpapasapaw. Dahil bukod sa taglay na pagkaastig sa labas ng ring may pagkahalimaw din ito sa ibabaw ng lona. Gaya na lang ng kanyang kalahi na makakalaban ni Jerwin Ancajas na si Fernando El Pomita Martinez. May pagkaastig din itong kampyon bukod sa kanyang di maipaliwanag na posing matindi rin ang kartadang bitbit nito na mayroong 14 wins, 8 knockouts at walang katalo-talo. Kaya ngayong darating na linggo, yan po ay umaga sa Pilipinas, matutunghayan natin si Pretty Boy kontra kay El Pomita Fernando Martinez para sa kanilang pangalawang pagkakataon na patunayan kung sino nga ba ang mas matikas. Bilang isang countdown bago ang laban, silipin natin ang konting patikim sa pwedeng maging performance ng ating kababayan. Kaya sa ating video ngayon, ating matutunghayan kung gaano katindi si Jerwin Ancajas kapag siya ay nasa magandang kondisyon na hindi tulad nung nakaraan kung saan naagaw sa kanya ang titulo ni El Pomita. Kaya tignan natin ang isang Jerwin Ancajas pag siya ay isang 100% na nasa kondisyon. Ang labang ito ay kontra sa isang matigas na Thai fighter na si Thanawat Phonakhu. Kaya ating sariwain ang impresibong pagkakapanalo ni Jerwin Ancajas na nagpahanga sa mga boxing fans sa mundo. Sa pagpasok ng laban, makikita natin kung gaano kaganda ang distansya at ang mga jabs ni Pretty Boy Jerwin Ancajas.
He won his last 5 fights dating back to his only loss back in 2012 when he lost the majority decision to Mark Anthony Geraldo in Cebu City in the Philippines for the then Asia Pacific Youth Super Flyweight Championship. They're fighting tonight at Super Fly at 115 pounds. To the right of your screen in the blue and white trunks, now stepping around to the left is a fellow by the name of Intana Sinchamang from Thailand.
Pero makikita rin natin na ang Thai fighter ay sumusubok na lumaban at sabayan ang mga gandang galaw ni Jerwin Ancajas. At ang mga patama ni Jerwin Ancajas ay nakakabilib dahil gumagawa siya ng mga kakaibang anggulo para tamaan ang Thailander. Ilang segundo ang lumipas, tinamaan si Jerwin Ancajas. Pero maya-maya lang, tinamaan din ang Thailander at bumagsak. Kaya naman dali-dali ang referee na bilangan ito.
There is a mandatory 8 count following knockdowns. No 3 knockdown rolls. So since Chamang has been dropped here in the first, and with about 15 seconds to go here, he's getting pummeled pretty good again. Right hand, left hand, solid left hand. Remember from the southpaw, the left hand is the power shot.
Matapos ang round, tila isang save by the bell ang nangyari.
So Jerwin Ancajas has a very good first round with the 10-point 3-point must scoring system of the knockout. That's a 10-8 round for him.
Sa labang ito, si Nonoy Neri ang nagbibigay ng mga game plan para kay Jerwin Ancajas.
A lot of action in the first round. Good way to start off tonight.
A great night to start it off is right. They're trying to revive this guy, says Chamang. You know, this is a typical Thai fighter, very, very tough. He began
Isang klarong-klarong knockdown para kay Jerwin Ancajas
as a nice short
sa pamamagitan ng left straight
and that's the first knockdown. He had him set up with the right
or
hand,
1-2 combination.
and he nails him again with the same punch and drops him. And now here's the end of the round.
Nagsimula na si Jerwin Ancajas magbitaw ng mga 1-2 combinations na nagpahirap sa Thailander.
Alright, here we go. This is round number 2. Scheduled for the 8 rounds, and you see that once again, Jerwin Ancajas, the guy in the red trunks from the Philippines, is having a pretty good go of it here. He dropped the
At dito, mapapansin natin na walang kapag-apag-asa na manalo ang Thailander na ito.
By the way, I said there was a 10-8 round. Sure was a 10-7 round with the punishment in the second knockdown, and he's teeing off right here. I'll be very surprised when this gets out of the... Oh! Big left hand! That one hurt him. He's on Queer Street right now. It'll be very difficult. No, he's not gonna survive. It's all over.
At dito na tinapos ni Jerwin Ancajas ang matigas na Thailander.
Get the doctor in here. So that's the second round, and he scored as a TKO since left stopped him for all fighting purposes. That's the second round knockout. Look at the official particulars from my...
Isang impresibong knockout victory ang ipinakita sa atin ng ating kababayan na si Jerwin Pretty Boy Ancajas.
About to say, I don't know if someone can find all the stuff that's going on, and it got him stopped him again. 3 times down, twice the first round, and then in the second. So the youngster, 22 years old, Ancajas, from the Philippines, especially my good friends over there, are going to be very, very happy with what you saw in Jerwin Ancajas. There it is. Big, big shot with the left hand. And all 3 times he dropped them, it was with his powered shot. Remember, the kid's a softball. I just heard Luke Buchanan, the Hall of Fame referee from the Philippines, told me that God was a terrific fighter, and then I would like to, well, good, I like him. Very, very nice fighter.
Wagi si Jerwin Ancajas via TKO sa round number 2.
By way of technical knockout, the Pretty Boy, Jerwin Ancajas. Well, as he kind of got on, he scored a technical knockout, 50%. All practical purposes, as I said, it is a knockout fight. He scored in the TKO. More important than that, it's just a terrific, terrific effort by Ancajas.
Go. Nice. Please subscribe, Suntok Pilipinas.
Yo, what's up mga idol? Please subscribe Suntog Pilipinas. Boom, 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 boom!